You've seen all the Ryder great certified and verified trucks, but have you ever looked in the back and seen some of the as-is diamonds in the rough and thought, wow, most of them just need an overhaul. If I could buy that truck and overhaul that engine, it would be a steal. But I don't have that kind of cash, and who would finance the truck and an engine overhaul? CAG Truck Capital is excited to introduce a unique program made available to Ryder customers who want to buy as-is trucks in need of an overhaul. Here's how it works. CAG Truck Capital specializes in engine overhaul financing. They know that an overhaul can dramatically increase the value of a truck. They've financed thousands of overhauls over 36 years. And now, they have created a finance package for Ryder customers that includes the wholesale price of the truck, any additional improvements you want to add, and a certified manufacturer's overhaul. These certified overhauls come with a nationwide manufacturer's warranty, just like a new truck. It's a no-brainer. So how do you take advantage of this opportunity? Go to the Ryder website or visit one of their locations. Choose the as-is truck you want, and then give CAG Truck Capital a call. CAG will discuss the truck and the cost of an engine overhaul, along with selecting the certified facility to do the work. We'll go over any additional improvements like tires, windshield, or brakes you'd like to include. We'll add it all up and give you the total price tag. If you agree, we will begin the short application process, and if you qualify, we give you the terms and amount of down payment required. We then pay Ryder for the truck and arrange to have it delivered to the certified service facility. You will be blown away at the savings on this 0-mile overhaul truck with a nationwide manufacturer's engine warranty and a payment that is a fraction of a new truck. For over 36 years, CAG Truck Capital has exclusively financed trucks and engine overhauls. We know trucks. And just like you, we can see a diamond in the rough and clearly understand how much value a certified overhaul will add to one of these well-maintained Ryder trucks, both in dollars and peace of mind. Don't miss out. There's a limited supply and these trucks will go fast. From great to challenge credit and everything in between. CAG has the experience and reputation to help you drive away with one of these amazing opportunities. Visit the Ryder website and choose your Ryder as-is truck today and give CAG Truck Capital a call.